processing, press 5. For concealed weapons or sex offender registration, press 6. For pretrial services, press 7. For re-entry programs, press 8. For driver's license, press 9. For misdemeanor probation, press star. For victim services unit, press pound. Or stay on the line and your call will be answered shortly.
Ada County Sheriff's Office, Inmate Records. This is Jody. May I help you?
Hi, Jody. I'm calling to get the status of a prisoner, Ammon Bundy.
Okay, what is it that you wanted to know?
I'd like to know what phony charges he was arrested on and who the treasonous officers were that violated their oath to the Constitution and arrested him.
Okay, well, that would be Idaho State Police officers.
Okay.
And as far as the details of the arrest, I don't have any of that because that was not our agency.
Okay. Well, it's on video on the internet.
Okay.
Just so you know that.
Okay, good to know. And it looks like he was charged with resisting and obstructing and trespassing.
So how can you trespass from the state capitol when you're there to address the government and get a redress of your grievances, and you're just there to speak to them? How can you be trespassing since the people own that building? That's our building.
Well, I think he was asked to leave several times and didn't.
Yeah, he wanted to speak. He wanted to speak and be heard, and the powers that be don't want him to speak and be heard.
Okay.
I understand the situation perfectly. I don't think you do, though.
Just remember, you're just talking to somebody who answers the phone here.
Okay.
You're talking to someone that just answers the phone here.
I understand.
And so, if you would like to file a complaint, you need to call Idaho State Police.
Well, they'll just ignore the complaint. I produced a video about a even more egregious event. It's called Examining the Assassination of Robert Lavoie Finicum. And in that particular case, the Oregon State Police and the FBI assassinated a man to keep him silent. So this is just more of the same. You're just trying to keep the people silent. Ammon Bundy is well known to adhere to the Constitution scrupulously. So he wasn't doing anything wrong. The officers were doing something wrong.
I wasn't there. I'm just answering the phone, sir.
Okay. Well, who can I talk to that isn't going to just ignore this?
Well, if you would like to talk to our sheriff's assistant, I would be more than glad to ring you over there.
Okay, that'd be great.
Okay, hold on just a moment, please.
Thank you.
You have reached Ann Yates, Administrative Assistant to Sheriff Stephen Bartlett. I'm away from my desk. If you need immediate assistance, please call records at 208-577-3000, or you can leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, Sheriff Bartlett. My name is Adam Ruff, and I'm calling on behalf of Ammon Bundy, who was arrested at the state capitol for attempting the egregious sin of attempting to speak with his representatives at the Idaho State Capitol. I'm calling to urge you to step in on his behalf and protect his constitutional rights and protect the constitutional rights of the people of the United States against this completely rogue agency who arrested him for no reason. Ammon Bundy is a scrupulous adherent to the Constitution. He is not violent. He has never been violent. and his arrest was completely beyond the law. So the officers involved in that and the people involved in that arrest are felonious, treasonous traitors, in my opinion. And I think what they did was absolutely egregious and wrong in every possible respect. So I'm asking you to step in on his behalf, since the sheriff is the highest law enforcement official in his county. I would ask you to step in and get Ammon released as soon as possible and hold those that arrested him accountable for their actions. Thank you very much.